Welcome back to Wuh Creator. In this video, we're going to learn how you can find the password of the Wi-Fi network connected to your PC. So, let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now, open Settings. Next, click on Network and Internet. On the left side, select Wi-Fi. And on the right side, click on Change Adapter Options. Now, double-click on your Wi-Fi connection. A new window will open. Click on Wireless Properties. Then go to the Security tab. Here, check the box that says Show Characters, and you'll see the Wi-Fi password for the network connected to your PC. And that's it. That's how you can easily find your connected Wi-Fi password on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wuh Creator for more helpful tech tutorials. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.